Dracaena marginata, also known as the Madagascar Dragon Tree, is one of the most popular indoor plants thanks to its elegant, minimalistic look and easy care routine. Its long, narrow leaves and tree-like shape make it a perfect addition to modern interiors. This plant thrives best in bright, indirect light, but it's also quite adaptable and can tolerate partial shade. However, keep in mind that in lower light conditions, its growth will slow down. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can cause leaf burn and dry tips. When it comes to watering, less is more. Allow the top 2 to 3 centimeters of soil to dry out before watering again. Overwatering is the most common mistake and can quickly lead to root rot. Always make sure your pot has good drainage. Dracaena marginata doesn't require high humidity, but it will appreciate occasional misting, especially during dry seasons or when indoor air is heated. One of the key benefits of this plant is its ability to slightly improve indoor air quality by absorbing certain pollutants. It also helps create a calm, green atmosphere, which can positively affect mood and overall well-being. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Brown leaf tips are a common issue, often caused by dry air or chemicals in tap water, such as fluoride. Using filtered or settled water can help prevent this problem. Another important factor is safety. Dracaena marginata is toxic to pets if ingested, especially for cats and dogs, so it's best to keep it out of their reach. Overall, this plant is a great choice if you're looking for something stylish, low maintenance, and beginner-friendly. With just a little care, your Dracaena can stay healthy and beautiful for many years.